Hey everybody, it's Stewart, and yesterday I posted a question that said, what do you need to do to finish your goals for this year? And I got a lot of comments, and some were just not even certain how to set goals or where to even start. So I want to do a little video on goals for the rest of the year. Let's finish 2020 well. You know, we've definitely had some bumpy roads, but we can finish it well. And so I made some notes that I want to share with you guys so that we're able to finish well. So one of the questions I always ask my clients, my coaching clients, what do you want to accomplish by the end of the year? So what are the things that are on your heart? It could be lose 10 pounds. It could be start a business. It could be take an online class. You know, there's all kinds of things we may want to do. It could be prepare to run a 5K or a 10K. So when you decide what is it you want to accomplish, I just write everything down. Everything I want to accomplish, I write it down. And then I kind of go through it and say, now really, is that what I want to do by the end of the year, or are there other things more pressing? So as I make my list, I'll put them in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I really kind of think through, pray through them and say, okay, really, what's going to be the most beneficial? What's going to really move me forward, getting in better shape, taking an online class, whatever it is, what's going to move me forward, and what's the priority in my life? What do I feel like I'm passionate about? And many times I'll just sit down and kind of read them over, like, I would like to lose 10 pounds. I want to take an online class about the prophetic and moving in the supernatural. I'm interested in starting a business, so I really want to take the steps of number one, do I need a business license? Would I be able to operate out of my house? And just kind of think through and pray through those lists. And what will happen is inside you, you'll kind of be able to figure out and discern what's standing out, what's really popping up there. And then once you do that, I just kind of circle them. These are maybe my top 2 things that I'm going to work on. You know, one thing I find, if you have tons of goals that you're trying to accomplish in 6 months, it's very difficult to get that accomplished. It's better to have 1, 2, maybe even 3 for the rest of the year. See how those go, and if you finish one early, then you can add on another one. But don't overwhelm yourself with a whole list of things you want to accomplish. So once I've decided my couple of things I want to accomplish, like I'm writing a book, so I want to finish that and have that submitted to the publisher by the fall. So that's one thing I'm really working on. And when you submit it to a publisher, it's not the whole book, it's an outline plus a couple of chapters. So then I would have to go on and finish writing the book. So that's one of the goals that I'm going to attain. The other one is I'm going to start an online class in the fall. It's a 12-week class to help people go from where they are to where they want to go. And you'll hear more about that. I'm not ready to release all the information on that, just a little teaser. So once I've decided, I take each thing and then I list what are the small steps I can take this week. What's one small step I can take this week to move me toward that goal? Let's just say I want to take an online class. So what I would do, the small step I would take would be searching to see what online class, where is it offered, how much does it cost, are there several that are similar, which one would be the best one? So my one small step would be discerning which one I want to take. And how much it costs, because it's very possible I may have to save up some money in order to take the class. And then that would be my next step. Let's just say the class costs $100. Well, I don't have $100 to spend right now, but I'm going to set the goal to start the class the 1st of August. So that gives me 6 weeks to save $100. And then you divide that by the 6 weeks, and this is how much I need to save a week. So those are the kind of just small steps in order to get us where we want to go. That's the real key. Every week I take one small step into where I'm going. And once you're able to take those small steps, it's so amazing that you will get to your goal before you even realize it, because each week you've taken the steps to move toward those goals. So I want to just encourage you guys. You know, this 2020 has been difficult. The first 2 months, it was great. The middle's been kind of a little rocky. So we want to really focus on these last 6 months. How are we going to end it? And we want to end it well. And we want to end it knowing that we've accomplished some things that we were interested in accomplishing, things that were burning in our heart. So be encouraged. I also wanted to tell you, if you're kind of struggling about what you're interested in and the things you like, on my website at cindy-stewart.com, I have a dream worksheet. And if you go cindy-stewart.com/store, scroll all the way to the end, there's some free downloads there. And one of them is a dream worksheet. And it just kind of helps you get started thinking about what are some things I'm interested in. So be encouraged, guys. I know we're going to finish well and accomplish the things that are burning on our heart. Thanks so much for listening, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.